Good morning, YouTube. It is early. I woke up early today because I have a lot of things to do. But I wanted to go to the store and buy out their protein bars. I wanted to buy their protein bars and do a full video about eating protein bars for 24 hours, which I'm going to do. But there's a little twist. They didn't have a lot of protein bar options, so I wanted to get one of each, and then I also got protein chips. So basically just eating protein all day. I'm going to eat each one and then rate them a 1 to 10. And then I also got 4 liquids, muscle milk. Okay. I'm also going to cheat a little bit. I'm taking pre-workout to go work out. But I will show you my leg day, and before I do that, I will eat this one first. And then give you a rating. Alright, that is my starting weight. This is what my stomach is looking like. No food or liquids. Let's go and eat this protein bar. Alright, let's do it. Where is it? I think this one might be the healthiest one. 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates. No BS. I got the chocolate sea salt flavor. I really hope this fills me up. Well, it's not going to, but I'm really hungry. Really hungry. It smells like dark chocolate. I hate dark chocolate. Nope. I didn't taste it at first. Now I am. I don't know. I think it's just the salt with the chocolate. Kind of throwing me off. Alright. I'm gonna eat the rest of this and get back to you. I finished that. I'm gonna set the bar low with a 5 out of 10. I also don't think that was enough food for me to go work out, so I'm gonna eat a bag of chips. Chips in the morning, my favorites. I think I'm gonna go with the nacho cheese. Smells pretty good. I don't know. It starts off good, and then it turns into like protein powder in your mouth, like clumpy protein powder. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Yep. Good, and then nasty protein powder. In the beginning, it's a solid 7.5. At the end, when you swallow it, a good 4. So I'm gonna eat these, and then we're gonna go and smash some legs. Alright, I made it in the gym, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm starving. I feel like I have an empty stomach, so that pre-workout on an empty stomach is kicking my ass. I'm so itchy, and I feel like moving so much. But it's gonna be a long day. Cannot wait for my first real meal tomorrow. But let's get into this leg day and smash it. Alright, update for you guys. After I finished working out, I just laid on the couch. Because, to be honest, oh, my hair, I feel like complete poo. I feel nauseous, and I got a really bad headache, and I think that's from not eating and then working out. But we're going to keep this challenge going, and I want to try the Quest birthday cake. This is meal number 2, by the way, and it's almost 11 o'clock. It's 10:50. Ugh, that made my stomach hurt even more. 20 grams of protein, 4 grams net carbs, 1 gram sugar. How many calories? 180 calories. Not bad. Not bad at all. I feel like it's really hard not to get chalkiness out of a protein bar. That's just my experience with them. But, I mean, just like the chips, you eat it, it's good, then it turns into like chalk, almost. Okay, so update, not feeling good, hungry, grossed out by protein bars. To fix that, I'm going to take a cold shower. So, I also need a pack for this weekend. I got a lot of things to bring. I'm bringing you guys along. I gotta get my clothes, put them all away, and take out the ones I want. And then I'll see you for meal number 3, I guess. Just realized I forgot to rate that last one. I give birthday cake a good 7 out of 10. Okay. It is now 12:10. And I'm hungry again, but I don't want to waste the protein bars, so I only have 3 left. So I'm going to eat the loaded taco chips by Quest. And I was kind of just sitting here, and I was reading the back. It says, where is it? Oh, contains bioengineered food ingredient. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't sound that good. Okay, I'm hungry. I still have a headache. I freshened up a little bit, you can tell. Took a shower, took a cold shower, and that is a strong smell. Holy crap. Ooh. 140 calories for this whole bag. Tastes like crap. Tastes like a salad. It literally tastes like a salad. I got bit into lettuce. You know what? I'm so hungry that it doesn't taste bad, actually. This is the first initial shock. 19 grams of protein. No, it doesn't taste like salad now. It literally tastes like a taco shell. They're not bad. I give them 7, no, it's 8 flat. These are the best things I had all day. I'm gonna eat these. And I'll see you for meal number, I think, 4. Alrighty, this is meal number 4. I've noticed there's a pattern. I've been in my bed all day. Well, I haven't been in my bed all day, but I've been eating my meals in my bed all day. And I won't change now, so I think we're gonna go with, I'm excited to try the peanut butter and jelly Fit Crunch. Also, as you may notice, I have a mic now. It just came in the mail, so I'm excited about that. This has 16 grams of protein, 1 gram sugar, 210 calories. Wow, okay. I tried Fit Crunch before, but I haven't tried the peanut butter and jelly. So I'm excited to try it. That's what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about it. The peanut butter is pretty good. The jelly is throwing me off. Yeah. I'm gonna finish that, but the jelly is really throwing me off. It's really weird. I'll give it a solid 6.7. 6.7. After that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more things. I might do my next meal 2 things, and the next meal 2 last things. But we got the Gatorade left, another Fit Crunch, ranch chips, and chili lime chips. So that was meal 4. I'll see you guys on meal 5. All right, so I skipped the last lunch because I had school and my friend came over. So we're gonna eat the last of the bit of the protein I have. I'm starving. First up, we got the chili lime. This might be my favorite one. I give that 9 out of 10. Let's get the ranch. All right, I give that a 7 out of 10. Now for the protein bars. Okay, this might be my favorite protein bar. I give that a 9. And the last on the list is Fit Crunch Mint Chocolate Chip. I give that a solid 8. All right, well, I'm gonna finish my last meal. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.